Hello, my lovely kids. How are you all? You all are good. Very good. Ma'am is sending you many videos. You all are watching it? Okay, good. You should watch it because ma'am is sending so that you can learn more. Okay? So in previous videos we have discussed about BL blend words, BR blend words, patterns, दो अक्षर वाले शब्दों से वाक्य बनाना. Yes, so today we are going to discuss about something new. You all are ready? It is related to body parts only. Okay? But before this, I will sing a song and you all will have to sing with me. So let's start. When you look and when you see, use your eyes. When you look and when you see, use your eyes. When you touch and when you feel, use your skin. When you touch and when you feel, use your skin. When you sniff and when you smell, use your nose. When you sniff and when you smell, use your nose. When you lick and when you taste, use your tongue. When you lick and when you taste, use your tongue. Students, in this time, what I have talked about? Yes, sense organs. But do you know what are the sense organs? You don't know. Okay, let me tell you what are the sense organs. This is our body, and our body has so many body parts. Like we all have hands, we all have legs, we all have feet, we all have lips, we all have teeth, we all have stomach. So we all have so many body parts, and these body parts have functions. Each body part has their function. Let me tell you, like with the help of our legs we can walk, with the help of our hands we can do so many things, we can hold the things, we can eat, so many things we do with the help of our hands. Okay, so each body part has so many functions. Okay, so our body have so many body parts and each body part has functions. Okay, so along with this we have sense organs. Okay, with the help of sense organ we can see, we can hear, we can touch, we can feel. So with the help of sense organ we can understand the world. Okay, so do you know how many sense organ do we have? Yes, we have 5 sense organs. How many sense organs? 5. Eyes, ears, nose, scale, and last one, tongue. So we have 5 sense organs. Oh, our first sense organ is eyes. Our first sense organ is eyes. You can see your eyes is here. So what do we do with our eyes? Do you know? Yes, you all know. We see this beautiful world with the help of our eyes. If you are now watching my video, you can see this video with the help of your eyes. Without eyes you can't see anything, right? We see everything with the help of our eyes. If I will close my eyes right now like this, I can't see anything. If I will open my eyes, now I am able to see. Yes, so we can't see anything without our eyes. Okay, so students, you know why I have used eyes word? Because we have two eyes. We have two eyes. We use eye word for one eye, and we use eyes word for our two eyes. Okay. So now we will talk about second sense organ. What is our second sense organ? Our ears. What do we do with our ears? Do you know? Yes, we can hear. We can hear with the help of our ears. Like if I am saying something, you are able to hear because of your ears. So you can hear with the help of our ears. Without ears, we can't hear. Now I will talk about third sense organ. What is the third sense organ? Yes, it's our nose. What do we do with our nose? We smell the things. When our mother cook delicious food for us, we smell with the help of our nose. Without nose, we can't smell anything. Talk about our fourth sense organ. What is our fourth sense organ? Yes, right. It is our tongue. So what do we do with our tongue? You all know about it. Yes, we taste. We taste with the help of our tongue. When we eat something that is our favorite, we taste with the help of our tongue. We taste bitter, that means kadwa. We taste sweet, that is meetha. We taste sour, that means khatta. So all these flavors we taste with the help of our tongue. Okay. Now we will talk about our fifth sense organ. What is this? That is skin. Skin is largest sense organ that is all over our body. You can see this is our skin, this is our skin, this is our skin. You can see everywhere on our bodies, that is skin. So with the help of our skin, we can feel, we can touch. Okay. So with the help of our skin, we feel the things. Friends, now let's repeat with me. We have five sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Five sense organs. Okay. Now I am going to do something interesting. You all will have fun with me. So are you ready? So I am going to show you something. I have so many things. This soap, this bell, this soft cushion and something this. Don't worry, I'm not going to eat anything. So any guess what I am going to do? So let's start. I have this scarf and now I will tie on my eyes. Students, I am going to tie it and then I will not be able to see anything. So now I have tied it on my eyes. Students, now you can see I can't see anything. Even I can see anything. Students, now I can't see anything. So first I have this soap. What I am going to do, I am going to smell it. So with the help of my nose, I can smell it. Okay. You also can smell with the help of your nose. Okay, students. Now I have this cushion and I can touch it. I can feel it. I can feel it with the help of my skin. Okay, students, you also can do it. Now I have this bell and I can hear with the help of my ears. Okay, students. Now I have opened it, and what I am going to do? I am going to taste something. Can you see what I have? So, first of all, I am going to taste this, and this is sweet. That means meetha. Now, I am going to taste this sour, and this is khatta. Sour means khatta. Now I am going to taste it, and this is
Let's
kadwa.
review.
This is bitter.
You can see we have 5 sense organs. The skin is the 5th sense organ which is found all over our body. We can see things around us with the help of our eyes. We see their color and shape. We hear with our ears. It helps us to hear different sounds around us. We smell through our nose. The smell of different things, good and bad. The smell of medicine, garbage, we smell through our nose. With the tongue, we taste. We taste all the things sweet, sour, bitter with the help of our tongue. We can feel things by touching it. We do it with the help of our skin. Hot, cold, smooth, rough, soft, hard, etc. We can feel with the help of our skin. Okay. You can see here is smooth surface, rough surface. We can feel it with the help of our skin. It's soft and another is hard. So we do it with the help of our skin. All the sense organs of our body make our life easy and comfortable. हमारे सेंस ऑर्गन्स हमारी लाइफ को क्या बनाते हैं? कंफर्टेबल बनाते हैं. They enable us to see, hear, smell, taste and feel all the good things of life. इनकी सहायता से हम अपनी लाइफ में चीज़ों को देख सकते हैं, सुन सकते हैं, स्मेल कर सकते हैं, टेस्ट कर सकते हैं, फील कर सकते हैं. तो सभी अच्छी चीज़ों को हम फील कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, बिना सेंस ऑर्गन्स के हम ये सब नहीं कर सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स.
Did you enjoy the activity? I know you all have enjoyed a lot. You can also do it at your home. So do it at your home and click a picture or make a video and share it on my WhatsApp so that I can see that all of my students did it at your home and you all have enjoyed it. Okay, now it's homework time. You all will write 5 sense organs in your notebook and you will write 2 things that is related to sense organs. Okay, now it's time to say bye bye. Take care.